So I recall that I made a promise to you guys that I was going to update you guys about my progress with respect to the exchange rate bot. Okay, exchange rate bot is a futures trading bot, and it is 100% powered by artificial intelligence. All right, so it's a kind of bot that works in such a way that just press the button and all the decision taking processes is going to be made by the bot itself. The buy, the sell, open entry, close an entry, all kinds of instructions are being carried out by the bot by itself. Now, some weeks ago, let me confirm that. Okay, I think July 9. So I told you guys that I was going to be launching the bot like with $500, and I'll report my progress from $500 to infinity, okay, with this bot. Now, I hold you guys the responsibility to update you. Okay, that is really important. Now, if you are just a first-time viewers, in this channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel right now. Then make sure that you turn on your notification bell, okay, for more information like this. Now, if you are just a returning subscribers, like you've been around for a while, okay, and you're watching this video now, I salute you. Thanks so much for being a part of this family. I appreciate you guys a lot. So now I want you to pay attention to this analysis. So let me show you something real quick. Today, okay, September 16th, the developer made a post on Telegram channel that they are working on how people can get a faster TAs algorithm to set to push, and it means that users need to stop their bots. They need to stop their current bots, okay, in order to be able to switch over to the new version of the exchange rate bot. All right. So if you look at this now, it means that some people are going to be in profit. I don't know, but I'm in profit right now, though the profit might just be a very small amount of money. So if you look at this September 11th, say they are working with new set of instruction and stuff like that. Look at this. First, the drawdown is coming even lower. That is right. Okay, we are currently at minus 9.8% on production, but on stage we are at max drawdown of 5.75%. That is really awesome. Okay, now what does this mean? This means a huge control for bots, but that won't interest me if it is coming at the cost of slower TAs, right? So now, the reason why my capital actually dropped significantly was because the drawdown was massive. Now they are trying to control the drawdown, in such a way that the drawdown is only going to be a fraction of your balance. All right. So a drawdown of less than 10% is not bad, in the futures market, if you ask me. Now, so he said this could be the story of eating your cake and still having it. Like if you're having a small drawdown and you're having a faster TA, because what I noticed in this current version of the bot is that the drawdown has been really controlled by the developer. All right, it has really been controlled by the developer, but the TAs are not really as fast as we are expecting. I'm going to show you how this is happening. So now we are testing a wrapper to a third-party service and it's doing excellently well. Yeah, we are looking at hitting minimum of 2.8% within 24 hours regularly most of the time. Okay, now if you're making 2.8% profits per day, according to this, the implication is that you're going to be making 2.8 multiplied by 30 in 30 days. You should be having at least, let's say, 70% return on investment. Okay, I'm gonna be I don't like to like put my hope so high. If you know me, like I always try to be conservative with figures. So let's assume that you are making 50% profit in a month. Okay, or let's assume that you made a 60% profit. You made a 60% profit for that month, and the bot had a drawdown of 10%. Okay, of 10%. That's 50% for that month is still realistic, very much realistic. So now some of these, okay, so this week expect even lower drawdown, which makes sense, and faster TAs. TAs means target achieved. When you hit a profit target, then that is target achieved. So these two things will come at a financial cost, right? So the minimum capital will be 1,000, while maximum will be 10,000. So it means that as we go on, based on the new strategy, users will not be able to start with any balance that is less than 1,000, because that's going to be the new minimum very soon. So we introduce the annual fixed fee. That's just a bunch of stuff. No, I'm not interested in that right now. So now the faster ticket that they promised is going to be going live very soon. Yeah, I mean very soon. Okay, probably in the next few hours, it's going to be going live very soon. So now, if you look at this, I think I made a comment. Let me check the comment section and stuff like that. Okay, all right. So now let me go back to the dashboard of the bot. This is the bot dashboard. As you can see from here, I started with a balance of 346. Okay, and the bot made a profit up to the point that it increased the wallet balance to 359. Okay, but due to the kind of drawdown that I'm experiencing right now, okay, because of that drawdown, the current balance right now is now 350.66, as you can see. All right, so let me pull out the calculator and do a quick calculation. So I started now if I should close this bot now, because my intention is to close this bot right now so that I'm going to be able to join the new version. Okay, so if you look at this now, 350 minus 346, okay, that's a profit of $4. Okay, $4, that's the profit for $4. And if you look at the fee, because I'm using profit sharing, I think that I explained the concept of profit sharing to you guys, how it works, in some of the videos in the playlist of Xchangerate Bot plays on the channel. So if you go right here now, like let me go to, no, not even account, the wallet. So let me go to my wallet. So this is the wallet right here. So as you can see from the wallet, I paid a fee of 3.94. So if you subtract that from the profit minus 3.94, okay, so leaving us with profit of 6 cents. So like, I'm not actually making profits and I'm not actually losing so much. Okay, that's like I just broke even. Kind of. All right, I just broke even. So but if you factor the fee that I may have paid on exchange, like the trading fee, I may probably be losing a slight amount of money also due to that. Okay, so now the journey so far is that I've been able to move all the way from 500, and right now I'm at 350, so to speak. Okay, so that's a loss of 150. Okay, and now what is the strategy to recover this loss? The strategy to recover this loss is this. According to the developer, though the minimum balance to start the bot is going to be like 1,000, to start the bot. But according to the developer, they're still going to be giving room to old users to still use a balance of, let me say, 500 or thereabouts. Okay, I'm not sure precisely how that's going to take place. But if they allow that, okay, and the bot is making like 2.8 consistently, like it was promised, with a new update. Now, if I make 50% profit on 350, okay, on 350, let me cancel this. So on 350, that's going to be like 50 divided by 100, because this is percentage, then multiply by 350, okay, which is 175, okay, which is 175. So I'm going to be making within 1 month. If I should make 50% profit within 1 month, there is every probability that I would have been able to go back to 500. Okay, and once I get to 500, okay, and I make another 0.5% the following month, okay, that's going to be 250. All right, so once I get to 750, like, this is just theoretical analysis. Okay, this is just like a simulation. All right, so because they promised a profit of 2.8 per day. Okay, if you're making 2.8 per day for 30 days, okay, that is 84%. But I love to be very conservative with my analysis. I love to be very conservative with figure, especially when it comes to financial market trading. So that's why I was like, okay, 50% is not bad also. It's not bad. Okay, let's say there are some days that the bot did not make any profit, and some other days it made some profit. So let's assume that, okay, 50% in a month is not bad. All right. So now, by the time I have 750 balance, and I make another 0.5 for the third month, that's going to be 375. Okay. So that's 375 now. 375 plus 750. Okay, so within 1 month, I should cross 1K. I should be able to increase my capital to 1,000 within 3 months. Okay, so that is the simulation. Like if the bot should deliver as promised. Okay, so I'm still very much optimistic about the bots. I've been hanging around, with these guys for close to 4 years now. Okay, since the day of coin monitoring board. Okay, so I'm still going to be sticking around much longer because I believe in the talent, in the gift of the developers. I believe in their skills. I believe in the community, and so for that reason, I'm not going to actually exit the platform. Okay, so I'm still going to be sticking around much more longer. All right, so this is the updates that I hope you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this analysis, you enjoy this feedback, and I want you guys to also keep your faith with the Xchangerate Bot. Okay, make sure that you sign up with my affiliate link. Okay, join their group on Telegram. Okay, so that you can be up to date with the latest information about the platform. Okay, so in the next few days, I will be testing the new algorithm, and I'm going to update you guys with the performance of that algorithm. Okay, so in order not to miss that, you have to subscribe to the channel. You have to turn on your notification bell. Okay, and possibly you need to join the crypto ninja group on Telegram also. Okay, so that you will be notified about all the videos that I make, with respect to cryptocurrency and the blockchain industry. All right. So if you like what I've just done now, okay, give this video a comment down below. Okay, let me know what you think about the Xchangerate Bot. Then make sure that you like the video and share with your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching up to this point. I appreciate you guys, and have a great day.